Hi everybody! I just wanted to come to you guys with a quick short little video to say I hope you guys are having a fabulous day, and right now I'm just making a green juice, and my favorite green juice is spinach, cucumber, Fuji apple, ginger, and celery. I don't know about you guys, but that's my favorite. Just pure liquid nutrition. You can't beat the liquid nutrition. Look how green that is. Oh, you know, there's some people who don't like eating foods that are green, or like the juices or smoothies that are green. I hear that a lot. I'm like, what? What? How can you not enjoy eating something green? Especially the juices. Absolute favorite combo. You know, it's actually, when you think about it, the longer that you eat a raw foods diet, whole plant-based foods diet, you eventually start enjoying eating and drinking green juices and green smoothies. If you're someone who doesn't enjoy eating something green, for some reason that grosses people out. I'm like, what? How in the world does that gross you out? But the longer you are on raw foods, the more you love and you crave and you gravitate to all the abundant and deep colors of the rainbow, you know. Okay, you guys, so remember to love being raw. Put a big old smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you guys, and I will see you guys next video, okay? Bye, guys.